A game that builds itself with AI. How to make your own app without coding. Why mice need VR glasses and why Elon Musk wants your X-ray. This week's news will surprise you. Let's go! Still using Google? ChatGPT just released a competitor to Google and Perplexity. It can now search the web. Yes, it had some searchability before, but now it's much better. It gives clear answers with links to each source. It's fast, showing results instantly, almost like it didn't search the internet at all. ChatGPT uses Bing's API, so it's technically searching through Bing. Bing provides ChatGPT with pieces of articles and websites, which ChatGPT then analyzes and gives you a final answer. It's a cool feature. The big question is, how will Perplexity survive this competition? And Google is feeling the pressure too. Personally, I have been using ChatGPT more than Google for a while, and how about you? This new search is available for all paid users, and there is a browser plugin to send searches directly to ChatGPT instead of Google. For Google Chrome, by the way. But there is even more. OpenAI also added a history search that's finally fast and doesn't freeze. But do not rush to the app, it's only on the web version for now. Recently, Altman said OpenAI needs more resources to make better models and update their image generator. He even admitted that launching advanced voice mode was a mistake. So that explains why history search took so long. Apple's system prompt for its AI leaked. It's huge, with instructions for all sorts of situations. But my favorite part, do not hallucinate. Wait, that's an option? Don't make up factual information, and be sure to label musicians as musicians, not just someone. Give consistent answers if the meaning of question is the same. I have a few prompt suggestions for the next year update. Understand what I'm saying the first time. Do not activate randomly. Just be as smart as ChatGPT and make the next iPhone cheaper. It's happening! AI is already replacing developers at Google. Google said that 25% of its code now comes from AI and is reviewed and approved by engineers. That's a lot. Last year, Google laid off 12,000 developers. It's coincidence? Earlier this year, Google reported a big productivity boost among developers. Looks like sharing some coding work with AI is working out. I can imagine engineers watching AI write code and thinking, this will replace us soon. Maybe I should learn something safe, like being a barista. Well, at least some jobs will stick around. For mice. Scientists made VR glasses for mice. Yes, for mice. These mini VR glasses give mice full immersion. The mice see their surrounding in 180 degrees and in depth, like with the 3D glasses. Mice in VR complete virtual tasks faster, like running tunnels for rewards, and they react realistically to virtual threats by freezing or running. The real breakthrough, it lets scientists study brain activity in the hippocampus, the area for memory and navigation in a real environment. And hey, this might start in new gadget markets, Apple Vision Pro for mice and cats. While Google developers are thinking about their career options, AI has learned to generate games in real time. An Israeli startup, Descartes, made an AI model called Oasis that generates Minecraft worlds in real time. There is no pre-written game engine or pre-designed mechanics. It just works like magic. Sure, the demo version is far from perfect, but the core function, moving through a generated open world, works. Just think about the possibilities. And soon, no more waiting years for big new games. Minecraft has become a go-to tool for testing AI. People on Twitter are even comparing AI models based on what they can build in Minecraft. The AI gets a task, writes code, and creates scenes with different objects, like Taj Mahal or solar system. And where else could Minecraft be useful? Research papers and boring PDFs? Imagine uploading papers and getting fun Minecraft-style TikToks with Gen Z slang. Even without slang, it's fun, useful summarizer.
Generative AI might just make us all question our life choices.
There is a new leader among image generators, Raycraft. They have outdone even Midjourney and Flux. They released two models. One makes realistic images and the other makes vector graphics. Raycraft could already do SVGs, but now the quality is much better. It still struggles with complex images, but for icons and buttons, it's perfect. But the best part, you can combine your text and image and AI will generate them together, keeping the style consistent. Plus, the text doesn't turn into alien symbols. The more realistic AI images get, the easier it's to create fake news. A site in Pakistan that makes money by publishing fake AI news posted an announcement for a Halloween parade in Dublin. The post went viral and thousands of people showed up for a parade that didn't exist. I think that people just were not prepared. If they had the costumes, the parade might actually happen. Just as Google launched Notebook LM, Meta released a similar open source tool. It works the same way, summarizing PDF in a podcast style. A llama turns text into conversational and adds tone, while Sonobark AI reads it out loud. The voices are not as interesting as Google's, but hey, it's open source. Copy one, copy twice. Meta is working on its own AI search tool to answer questions in a chat format. The goal? To reduce dependence on Google. They are taking it seriously and indexing the whole internet themselves. By the way, social platforms have never been great at search, and search engines have never made great social platforms. But maybe Meta will pull it off. Big updates from GitHub. Two main ones. First, multimodality. Now you can choose which model to use. GitHub has added Anthropic Claude, Google's Gemini, and OpenAI GPT-4, all versions. The second update is GitHub Spark. It's a tool to build web apps using natural language. You just describe what you want, like you would to a developer, and Spark generates the app. Just perfect. It's built into GitHub Copilot. Right now it's for micro apps, but where is the micro? Full apps can follow. But GitHub is not the only one letting people build apps without coding skills. Meet Bolt New. You just type what kind of app you want, and in 30 seconds it builds a full web service, front-end, back-end, everything. The app runs right away in a sandbox, so you can test it, make changes, or add the code. And it's free. You get 20,000 tokens daily for free, or 10 million tokens a month for just $20. Somewhere coding bootcamps are feeling nervous. Another cool experimental project from Google is Learn About. It's like a personal AI teacher that helps you learn anything. Imagine asking questions, uploading materials, and the AI explains everything in detail and with visual examples. Learn About connects to other Google educational platforms, so there is tons of information available. It's in testing now, and you can register to try it out. Elon Musk suggests users upload medical images like X-ray, PET, and MRI scans to their chatbot Grok for AI analysis. It's still early, but accuracy is already high and improving. Musk asked users to report errors so they can fine-tune it. Honestly, it's too bad that not all doctors are widely using AI to analyze scans and other health metrics yet. LinkedIn launched Hiring Assistant, an AI tool that helps screen candidates faster. It finds people, sends messages, asks initial questions, and even helps plan the hiring process. Recruiters only need to do final interviews. Seems like it's get even harder to find the perfect candidate and a job. What do you think? Sound designers, watch out! AI is now making music for videos. Can you tell which one is the original? This one? Well, the second one is close too. It's Movie, a video-to-music AI that creates soundtracks to match visuals. That's all for now. See you next week.